Hello, something very strange happened to me. A few years ago, while on vacation in the Poconos with my wife and children, I was reminding them how much I loved them and how happy I was that we were spending time together as a family. My youngest daughter suddenly asked me, "You are our family? You are related to us?" I was frankly shocked by this question. I was surprised by the statement because I thought that my daughter completely understood the meaning of me being her dad. I never actually assumed that my daughter was been saying to me, "Daddy, I love you," since she was a baby, to whom I have been showing unconditional love and whose every single need I have satisfied would consider me as just a presence in the house. So, using language that was appropriate to a child, I had to explain to her that her mother and I had to work together to bring her to life. I told her that she and I are related because she has my blood flowing in her veins, and she has my gene in her. So, mothers, you have a specific role to play in regards to how your children see their fathers in their eyes. Don't forget to remind your son and daughter that their father is the pillar of the family. I'm not saying that my wife has not been playing this role. Perhaps my daughter has been taking me for granted. So it is time for us to tell the children that their father is not just a provider and a protector of a family, but we also have to tell them that the father has a lot to do with their existence in this world. Remind the children that the fathers have equal rights in the family and that the fathers are an integral part of the family foundation. So I understand that if we keep reminding them, that will incite the children to show respect, gratitude, and to joyfully involve their father in every aspect of their lives. And then the children have to also understand that the father and the mother are not competitors. They need to understand that the father and the mother are two people who have their interests at heart, no matter the difference in styles and approaches that they use to raise them. So my advice to the fathers is not to assume that our children clearly understand the genetic makeup that we bring to their lives, the importance we play in shaping them, and the undeniable connections we have to them. From now on, I'm not going to be silent about how important I am, about the true significance that I have as a father. So let's constantly remind them. Remind the children that they are our flesh and blood. And let's also remind them that they and we are one unit.